So, can you earn money from listening music, play games, reading news, watching videos, even more from our daily routines? You could probably think, impossible. Yes. Today, I'm going to show you 5 legit apps that you can earn from your daily routines. So, let me share this legit apps, that in order of my favorite, from 5 to 1. Let me tell you something earlier, on the bonus part of this video, I'm going to show you an earning active lifestyle app, that apart from the 5 apps. So, keep watching, don't miss it. Cashzine. So, dear readers, you are not going to believe it. You're going to earn money from reading news. While you're reading or scrolling the content, here got small meter will slightly increase. For each full round, you will get points. Apart from that, you can post your thoughts here by sharing photos too. As a fun part, you got a chance to win at Spin the Wheel, that you can win up to 2,000 points every day. So, do you want instant 8,000 points? Just go to enter invitation code and enter this code below. Buzzbreak. This is a reading app similar like Cashzine but with more features. After read the article, for every page, scroll until bottom, to get the points. And you are limited to get points for 50 articles per day. Not only reading article, you can earn points for watching video. All you have to do is just tap the gift button to claim the points for every video. So, how about try the lucky spin? Cash out. You can redeem 50,000 points into $5 into your PayPal account. So, you can have 100 points instantly by enter this referral code. Daily Raffle. Daily Raffle. So, this is not like any other game, with a daily winning prize starting from $10 up to $500. Each ticket consists of 6 numbers between 1 and 9. To win, your numbers should match at least the first 4 numbers of the winning ticket. Try to understand the game rules and win the money. Current. Current Rewards app is a legitimate company that pays you to stream music and listen to your favorite radio stations. You will earn rewards for signing into the app each day and listening to music. You can set a goal to reach the target for redeem the offer. The points can easily be converted to cash or gift cards. You can save your favorite radio stations or download songs to listen to offline. The longer you listen to the station or test out new radio stations, the more points you can earn. So, check the link below to download now. ClipClaps. ClipClaps. Earn rewards by playing games, watching videos and uploading links of your favorite videos. The app is available for both Android and iOS devices. You can make money with ClipClaps by watch videos, treasure chest, raffles, play games and even buy clap fund. You receive your rewards through PayPal. The first time you must have a total of 10 cents to withdraw your winnings. From then on, the minimum to make withdrawals is $10. So, let's go to the final part of the video. Bonus round. Sweatcoins. Sweatcoin is an exercise app that tracks your steps and pays you in Sweatcoins. Each time you walk 1,000 steps, you will earn 1 Sweatcoin. Unfortunately, you can't actually cash out Sweatcoins to your bank or PayPal account. Instead, Sweatcoins can be used to buy goods, services and experiences from partnering companies via an in-app marketplace. So, there are lots of ways to make money, and using apps to help you do so can be a smart idea. Go ahead, give some of them a chance, and hopefully you learn a bit of income in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you on next video.